BabyBus.
Hi! Click here to subscribe! Meow meow! Meow meow! What are you doing?
Look at the waste I collected. Kiki, can you watch this for me? I'll be right back.
Huh? 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 Hey, hey, hey!
Kiki, where is my waste?
I threw it away! You're welcome!
I worked so hard to collect all of it! I wanted to sell it and donate the money! It took me 3 whole months! Today is the last day for donation!
I'm sorry, I'll work it out! Where can I find the waste? Oh no, I need help! A flyer! A waste paper!
Good news! Mr. Fu's restaurant 10% off on opening day!
Oh!
Good news!
There's nothing new.
There's so many on the floor! How can I collect them? Aha! Rope!
Huh?
Go and throw these away.
Okay.
Did you collect all of that?
Yes!
I was worried that it's not enough. Thank you for collecting them. Hank, hand these out to passers-by.
Those flyers!
I worked so hard to distribute them, and you brought them all back. Go away.
Where can I find the waste? What can I do? Oh, Miu Miu's waiting. Ah! Huh? Cans! How can I collect them? That's right! Box!
I'm so tired. It's all Kiki's fault.
Kiki, you're a really good boy. You're cleaning up again.
Sir, I'm finished. Please pay me.
Didn't you see the bottles all over the road? Look at Kiki. He helped to pick them all up. Thank you for doing that, Kiki. Thank you. I'll pay you after you clean up.
I have a big bottle here. Where's my bottle?
I thought someone just left it there, so I poured out the rest.
What? I don't want to see you again.
Huh? Huh? Oh! valuables. Ha! I know! Sack!
You again? You're so annoying!
Give it back! Give it back!
It's just a sack of trash.
That's for Miu Miu! She's collecting the waste to sell it and donate the money!
You should have told me. Oh.
I'm sorry. I didn't find any waste. Here's my pocket money. Donate this.
Mew mew.
Mew Mew! Mew Mew! Huh? This is the waste paper I found.
These are the bottles my dad gave me. This is a broken walk.
Huh? Miu Miu, is that enough?
Thank you, everyone. But it's not enough. Huh?
Are you gonna throw all those away?
No! We're going to sell these wastes!
And we'll donate the money we get.
You're doing something good. Come and take a look. Take anything you need.
Huh? Miu Miu! Miu Miu! I found your waste!